Hey friends, Luck here. So today we're going to be having a look at the Redmi AirDots 3. So this is sort of like a long-term review. I've actually done a review about this product and an unboxing about this product as well. I've also done comparisons with various devices like the Redmi AirDots 2 and the Redmi AirDots S. So you guys can check that out on the channel. I'm going to leave a link for that down in the description so you guys can have a look at that and see which one you're interested in. So technically this device is definitely amazing for the price that it comes in. It's definitely, for me, can be categorized as a budget AirPods. The looks are quite beautiful on this device. When you look at it, it looks quite premium compared to other AirPods in the same price range. But it is definitely something that people should consider getting when they're thinking about getting AirPods in any way, shape, or form. So this charges with a USB Type-C connector at the back, and at the front you have a very easy pairing process. You just have to hold this down and you wait for the lights to blink. Once the lights are blinking, then it's easy and ready to pair with any device. So this can actually be used with any device quite easily. I use this with an iPhone and it works quite well. Something that you should note though is that this doesn't come with any noise cancelling features. It just comes with an environment noise reduction feature. So the environment noise reduction feature is not exactly noise cancellation, although it does act or have aspects like the noise cancellation. So this just reduces the noise around you, but it doesn't exactly cancel it out. So these just come with some features that do impress when it comes to gaming. When you're gaming with the earphones, it just have low latency, so this just help with lots of gaming, especially if you're playing PUBG or Call of Duty. That would be something that is definitely convenient for you to be able to do and for you to be able to use. Over the long term, one thing that has impressed me about this device is definitely the battery life. The battery life of this device is amazing. Normally I charge it for once a week. Apart from that, I don't really charge it a lot. Although I don't really use this every day, this is one of the two that I use. I do use this, then I do use the Beats Solo 3s. So I do like over-ear headphones more than I like AirPods, because AirPods normally are not that comfortable in my ears. But I am planning to change this out with the new Redmi AirDots 3 Pros, because the new Redmi AirDots 3 Pros are meant to be coming with active noise cancellation, which is something that for the price will be definitely a premium feature, because it's not going to be expensive. In China, it's going to retail at the price of about 299 RMB, which is about 300 RMB. You can convert that to your local currency, but it's not, maybe about $50 or less than $50. So it's something that is a steal for the price, especially when you think about things like the AirPods Pros and normally the type of AirPods or AirPods that come with the active noise cancellation. So this is just like a quick review, a quick overview of my use of the Redmi AirDots 3. So the things that I love about it: I love the battery life, I love the easy pairing process, I love that it doesn't really have problems when it comes to troubleshooting it if it doesn't connect that well. So that's something that is very good. I love the charging port. The charging port is the USB Type-C port. The USB Type-C port is very convenient. It does have incredible basses and trebles as well, so those are definitely a plus for the Redmi AirDots. And the design definitely looks premium. It has one of the most premium designs I've seen on AirPods. So this is just the reasons why I love these AirPods and why I've been using them for such a long time and why I recommend them to anyone to get. All right guys, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.